This year, one of the most overlooked opportunities may be combining real estate research with automation. Not just using AI to write content, using AI to help find, analyze, organize, follow up on potential wholesale real estate opportunities. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I would use Claude, Zillow, realtor.com, and go high level together, because these are powerful. Claude helps research possible deals, create the outreach. Zillow helps provide public property and research and the market contents. So Go High Level helps build the CRM pipeline, the seller follow-up, the buyer list, the SMS sequences, the emails, reminders, deal tracking. It's a beginner-friendly system, and I say that because we got a blueprint in the description you can download. This can be useful for real estate investors, realtors, wholesalers, flippers, beginners who want to start an AI agency and build this into a niche where they can help people already and make those deals. So there's no income guarantees. Always follow up with your local laws and verify every property. But grab that 30-day free trial to the software below that we're using, and let's walk through the system together. There's so many properties on Zillow, but we're looking for ugly houses. Let's look at this one here. This is not an ugly house. This is not an ugly house. We're looking for ugly houses. So how are you going to find these in such a saturated market here? Well, we're going to show you that right now. So we're going to drop over and we're going to put in a simple prompt into Claude, and we're going to find our ugly houses. This is the kind of house we want. We want an ugly house. So how do we get rid of all those pretty houses? Well, we're just going to go over to Claude here, and we're going to put in a simple prompt, and we're just going to say, tell Claude to give me a list of keywords to use to identify ugly houses, distressed properties on real estate listings separated with comma, and keywords with comma. So we'll go ahead and run that, and it's going to give us a comprehensive list here. As needed, work, needs TLC, upper fixer, fixer upper, handyman special, handyman dreams. So these words are going to clean up and give us exactly what we are looking for without spending hours trying to search these listings. Okay, we have our list of keywords here, so we're going to grab these. We're going to copy and paste these. I'm just going to take the condition and damage keywords, and then we're going to go over to Zillow here. We're going to go to filters, and we're going to scroll all the ways down to keywords and paste these in. And then we're going to apply that, and we're going to watch all these pretty properties disappear. And you can see a lot of them disappeared. And bam, there we got one right here. And we could expand this out, but we'll just click on this and we'll see what it's listed for here. And then we'll contact the realtor about this property. But wait, we're going to take this to the next level, and we're going to use Go High Level and Claude to do something that's amazing. So let's show you this. Okay, you're going to copy this exact prompt, create a downloadable CSV file with Google search, links, targeting, Zillow listings, zip code, city, state, using real estate keywords like fixer upper, as is, investor, special, probate, etc. And then each link should be in this format: site, Zillow.com, keyword, zip code, city, return 10 to 15 keywords, generate the full URL. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to put in a zip code of an area where we feel that there might be distressed homes, and we're going to let this cook. So what's cooking, Jim? I do a lot of cooking, so I was a chef at one time. So let's see Claude cook here and see what it brings us. Here's what's crazy, guys. Look at this. Keywords, distressed homes. We've got them all broken down as is, probate, cash only, TLC, motivated, handyman special. I didn't even put those in, and it gave us all those keywords. And then we can just go and download this. And the crazy thing, this is going to update for us every single day. So we don't even have to do anything after this. So it gives us our bank owned, motivated seller, handyman. This is a downloadable file that we can use every day. And we could even sell this, or not even sell it. We could use it as an investor type opportunity list. So let's just take one of these links and check it out. Okay, now check this out. We have a whole list of properties. Look at as is, as is. We can just click on this, go in and check the listing out. And that is the kind of houses that we're looking for. Here's the best part about this. We can expand this map and then start looking at all the distressed properties. Here's one for 1,000, 15,000, 10,000. So we can go through these, and let's just click on one of these. And this is going to update. So we can use that file that we created, that downloadable file, every single day and look for these distressed properties. And this is an ugly house. So that's what we want. And so we can look at it. This is $10,000 and it is definitely a fixer-upper. That's for sure. And it's within an investment price that you can work with. Now, how are we going to incorporate this with Go High Level? Okay, here's where we're going to build the real estate wholesale deal system. So this is a CRM for wholesale real estate guys. Basically trying to find and go after. So there's a feature in the AI software. We have that link below. It's called Ask AI. And we're going to drop this prompt in here, and it's quite lengthy, but we're building a complete, we don't have to do anything. Ask AI, that's the feature that Go High Level offers that is incredible, that just came out. And we're going to build a complete wholesale real estate CRM system for my business. So wholesale deal pipeline, it's going to create the stages, the new property lead. If you want this prompt, you just need to drop a comment below. We'll send you a link to this, and we've got a quick start guide that you can grab this, and a small paid version of this so that you can start building this yourself for other wholesalers. But it's got appointment schedule, property analyze, dead, not a fit. So that's our pipeline. Then it does all your custom fields for you. And we're going to watch this thing cook like Claude, but creates your automations, wholesale lead. So it comes in, research property due today, verify ownership, da-da-da-da. So it literally goes and goes and goes all through this. And we just click play, and bam, it starts building it out. 30 custom fields, 18 tags, 13 automations, 7 scenarios. This would take us weeks to build this by ourselves. But this Ask AI and Go High Level is, High Level's AI is off the charts. So it's building our wholesale real estate CRM. And we, like I said, you can use this as a passive income, sell this for $2.99 to a wholesaler that needs something like this. And then it's completely passive every month. If they want to continue the CRM, you just charge a small fee. And of course, there's no guarantees on making income. You've got to put in the effort. You have to understand the software. But what's to understand here? AI is doing everything for us. So look at here. It did the phases for us, the wholesale motivation, low motivation, high equity. So we can look at and break it down by equity. You know, we want to do anything that's 30% and above in equity, but it does the pipeline, 15 stages, custom fields, tags, automations, copy and paste, ready workflow blueprint. So how much easier does it get? We just say, yes, build it. So it's approved. We're building our wholesale real estate CRM system. And like I said, you can build this into a side hustle by selling this system to real estate wholesalers. There's thousands of them out there that are competing for the same properties. And we just showed you how to find those distressed properties. And we showed you in real time, those are real ugly houses that we're looking at. So we'll see what this is after it builds us out, but it's going through everything that we need here, and we'll look at it as soon as it's finished. Okay, look at this. The pipeline, we've got that done. Wholesale real estate CRM, what was built? Here's all our pipeline stages. Offer made, win probabilities in there, and then all our custom fields. So we got foreclosure, motivation, signals. These are all knowledgeable things for wholesalers. Estimated ARVs, the estimated value, asking price. We've got highly motivated, low motivated, and you can see a copy and paste for our workflows. We've got all our seller outreach sequence. So here is a workflow to reach out. I saw your property, I wanted to reach out. So we're building everything for this wholesaler that works, that these are winning things that are in here. And as we go down, we can test this and look at this. Not only that, we can build a website for them that is incredible. And I'm going to show you that with AI Studio that just takes a few minutes to build. And then you can customize that for that wholesaler. But let's go into the pipeline and see what it did. So we'll just click on opportunities here and go over to our pipelines and so here it is, new property, research needed, contact info, and we can just keep scrolling over here and seeing all the levels of this pipeline, or just open it up here and we can edit this, we can move it around. So if they want something changed, but you can see that it built it out. We didn't have to do anything. We just asked AI to do it. Now let's build a website real quick and show you. We want to find a winning wholesale real estate website and then recreate that for our client. So one that comes to my mind is We Buy Ugly Houses. Home Investors owns this, or Home Investors, and you can see this website. So we're just going to go back into our software here and we're going to clone this site, but we need to change the logo. We need to change everything. So we're in AI Studio in the AI software. We've given you 30 days free on this. So you can do all this for 30 days at no charge. So there's no obligation, but all we did is say, clone this website, use my logo attached. So we attached my logo and we put in the URL for webuyuglyhouses.com. And it's going through, it's doing a live preview, it's building, it's capturing the information. Again, make sure you change the logo. Don't copy stuff, change the content, and go in there and do everything properly, because I'm not going to give you legal advice, but you can't copy a website and then just use it. You got to change the verbiage, change the logo, your copyright, everything that you need to do. So right now we can see it's setting up the theme, integrations, it's building the header, the hero section, the content section, how it works, it's building the footer, and it'll finish polish, and then we'll look at it, see how it looks. And just to give you an idea while this is building, so We Buy Ugly Houses, privately held company, that's the key, it's not public, $1.6 billion in annual real estate sales. So 1,100 franchises. So obviously a good site to mimic and model yourself after. So check it out, guys. It just built this. Our logo's there. It actually took the color from our logo and changed this up here. We buy houses in any condition. This took 3 minutes to build. So you can enter a property address, no obligation. So it's got a call to action. It even took my logo and says, why sell to Paar 10X Success Academy, which was just my logo. but as is, it's got literally everything that you need to sell this to a wholesaler that's starting or that's been in the business, but we just click publish and we can preview this very easily by just clicking preview. And but you can just copy and paste this and sell this over and over to wholesalers. So that is it. Remember, drop a comment. We'll send you a link for a free blueprint. And we got a quick start program that is super, super cheap. Costs the price of 2 cups of coffee. And this will help you get this going as a passive income. And of course, there's no guarantees. You need to put in the work, but we're giving everything to you